Number 1. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard in this 1954 Buick Riviera Coupe 2-door, available in Richmond, Virginia for $12,500. This ride is a clean, restored classic with a solid, rust-free body. The undercarriage, doors, rocker panels, hood, and trunk are all in one piece. The interior and headliner are in excellent shape.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. Discover your next restoration project with this 1968 Chrysler New Yorker sedan, available in Jackson, Ohio. The car is powered by a 440 engine and an automatic transmission, and the odometer reads 72,000 miles. The silver exterior is paired with a black interior, creating a classic look. The seller notes the car runs strong, showing good road manners. It recently received a new exhaust system, fresh tires, along with a new starter and alternator, giving you peace of mind behind the wheel. Number 3. This classic Pontiac Tempest from Patchogue, New York, is available for $7,500. This 1966 sedan features its original 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, with a documented 57,800 miles. It's in great shape for a daily driver and runs reliably. Inside, the turquoise interior is in beautiful shape. The body has no visible rust through, the undercarriage is solid, and all lower panels, including the fenders, doors, and rocker panels, are original and made of sturdy metal. The car recently got new tires and handles great on the road, offering confident control. Full disclosure, there are a few dings and scratches on the body. Please note, the seller is not considering trades. Number 4. Check out this classic 1967 Chevrolet SS El Camino, available in Westminster, Maryland, for $23,500. The car has almost 100,000 miles on the odometer, but its current condition suggests a complete custom build, and the seller is willing to talk price. Under the hood is a 454 cubic inch engine, complemented by aluminum heads, a weigh-in supercharger, and a Holley 950 carburetor. Power is transferred through a 400 automatic transmission with a reverse valve body and an ATI converter. The reinforced Ford 9-inch rear end is equipped with 35 splines and a 390 gear ratio. Number 5. Today, we have a fantastic find, a 1937 Pontiac Deluxe 6, located in Clayton, New York, offered at $25,000. This Pontiac Coupe has had a ground-up restoration with modern upgrades, now powered by a Chevrolet 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It features a Mustang 2 front end with power steering and power brakes, making for a smooth and reliable driving experience. The car sports a candy apple red paint finish, described as excellent, with new weather stripping on all windows and electric wipers. It sits on solid wire wheels with tires installed 1 year ago. The interior features fabric seats in great shape and a new radio. All gauges, lights, turn signals, wipers, radio, locks, and windows are reported to be working. This Pontiac was inspected by the Department of Motor Vehicles just 2 months ago, and its registration is transferable, ready to hit the road. Having accumulated about 1,000 miles since the build, this machine is presented as a turnkey classic. It was stored in an enclosed garage by its owner for the entire 5 years. While the odometer reading is not accurate, the car is ready for immediate use.
Beat the horn!
Number 6. Discover the charm of history with this blue 1970 Chevrolet Nova, located in Mauritius Center, New York, for $23,500. This Nova, with 500,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, is not built for everyday cruising. It has been meticulously prepared for drag racing or as a pro-street machine. The car's body is in really good condition, with key modifications already completed. It features a fiberglass front hood and trunk lid, along with a full roll cage for added rigidity and protection. New front and rear glass are already installed. To ensure proper dynamics and control, the Nova is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes and a beefed-up Ford 9-inch rear end with a 4.56 gear ratio. New tires are ready to roll, front and rear, and extra parts come with the car. For full operation, a small block engine will need to be installed, for which the entire system is already prepped. An investment of $23,500 for a car with this level of readiness for serious. Number 7. For the classic car enthusiast with a passion for history, here's a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air hardtop from Millington, Michigan, available for $19,500. This two-door hardtop, showing 12,000 miles on the odometer, is a custom build that, according to the seller, starts right up and runs and drives smoothly. Under the hood is a 350 engine, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission controlled by a low-car shifter. Inside, you'll find Impala-style touches, complemented by an upgraded stereo system with a compact disc player and dolphin gauges on an updated dashboard. Rear comfort is provided by airbags with a compressor, and for communication, a Citizens Band radio is installed. Number 8. Discover the charm of history. Introducing a 1966 Ford Mustang, available in North Wales, Pennsylvania, for $20,000 or best offer. This car, with just 59,100 miles on the clock, features a C-code 289 cubic inch engine and a C4 automatic transmission. Its vibrant signal flare red exterior is perfectly complemented by a black pony interior. The car is equipped with power steering and power brakes and comes with original wheels, ensuring confident handling on the road. The seller notes that the car drives like a dream. All maintenance has been performed at the specialized Mustang barn shop, and the car has always been garage kept. According to the owner, this Mustang is ready to hit the local car show circuit or simply for leisurely cruises. Number 9. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1974 Plymouth Barracuda from Bucyrus, Ohio, offered for $32,000. Under the hood is a 360 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, and the odometer reads 107,319 miles. The car runs strong and feels solid on the road. It was factory equipped with air conditioning. However, the components are not currently installed. A recent upgrade is a brand new Flowmaster Series 40 exhaust system, which delivers a distinctive sound. The car comes with its original manuals and broadcast sheet. The owner notes that this is not a show car, and the price reflects its condition. If the car were pristine, it would be $60,000. The owner is not in a hurry to sell, just testing the waters, and is open to trades for other iconic models, including a '69 Chevelle, '65 to '70 fastback Mustangs, '67 to '72 K10 or K20 Blazers, '55 or '56 Thunderbirds, or a 1930s Coupe. The world of classic cars is diverse, offering options from powerful muscle cars to more refined coupes and vintage SUVs. Number 10. Introducing a classic reimagined. This 1956 Chevrolet 210 out of Reading, Pennsylvania is offered for $29,996 dollars. The car comes from a local collector, was single-family owned for a long time, and was garage kept, attesting to its condition. Mileage stands at 30,243 miles, and the car is considered turnkey. Under the hood is a bar 355 cubic inch V8 Audi engine, equipped with a Weyand intake and an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. A Biteman 400 3-speed automatic transmission routes power to the rear end with a 3.36 gear ratio. The blue exterior was updated approximately 2 years ago, and the interior is finished in black. The front features 14-inch Kragar wheels, and the rear has 15-inch wheels. The exhaust system features turbo headers and mufflers, and the engine is adorned with chrome valve covers. Recent replacements include the ignition coil, master brake cylinder, braided fuel lines, and front bumper. The car is road ready, and the seller offers assistance with shipping across the United States. Number 11. Perfect for those who appreciate vintage automotive craftsmanship. Here's a 1963 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport located in Trenton, Michigan. This blue beauty with a white interior is available for $27,500, and the owner is open to offers. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 engine mated to a 700R4 automatic transmission. For cooling, there's a Be Cool radiator, and the brakes got a dual master cylinder. Number 12. Up for sale is a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe located in Lima, Pennsylvania, priced at $35,000 or best offer. This car has been transformed into a Restomod, blending its classic lines with modern performance components. Under the hood is a rebuilt high-performance 1980 wind 302 cubic inch engine, which has only 9,780 miles on it since the rebuild. Number 13. Introducing a classic reimagined, up for grabs in Timberville, Virginia, is a 1936 Chevrolet Masters Sedan Deluxe for $35,000 or best offer. This isn't just a car, it's a professionally built street rod. Its all-steel body boasts a custom paint job, deep metallic purple with hand-painted airbrush graphics over a champagne base. The interior is finished in beige leather, including the headliner. Under the hood of this Chevy, a fully chromed 383 stroker engine is paired with an automatic transmission. Number 14. Take a step back in time with this 1937 Chevrolet Master, located in Davison, Michigan, and priced at $36,000. This Chevy Coupe boasts a 383 Chevy stroker engine, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Since the upgrade, the car has only logged 2,000 miles. Underneath the red all-steel body with a beige interior lies a host of upgrades. A new starter, an electric fan, and a new 650 Edelbrock AVS, 2 carburetor, have been installed. Valve adjustments and spark plug replacements were performed within the last 300 miles. The car features ice-cold air conditioning, doesn't overheat in traffic, and has always been garage kept. Just last week, this Chevy snagged a Best Paint award at the only show it's ever entered. The current owner is letting it go due to a lack of time to show the car, making it ripe for its next road adventures. Number 15. This is your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. In Islandia, New York, a '68 Chevrolet Camaro is up for grabs, offered for $35,000. This blue coupe features matching numbers on the engine and chassis, is equipped with a 327 engine, and a Muncie Rock Crusher 4-speed manual transmission. The car has undergone a complete restoration and has since clocked 5,300 miles. For the last 2 years, this Camaro has been a regular at car shows and consistently on the road, demonstrating its full reliability. Original owner's manuals are included, adding to its authenticity. The seller claims $62,000 invested, and this offering presents a chance to buy it for significantly less. Open to trades for a newer pickup truck or a cash deal. And now, let's see what's up next. Number 16. Check out a piece of automotive history with this 1971 Ford Mustang convertible, up for grabs in Warren, Michigan for $48,000. This Boss Tribute car has only logged 500 miles since a total refresh, showing off as a thoroughly recommissioned machine. Popping the hood reveals a rebuilt 351 Cleveland engine, juiced up by an Edelbrock 625 cubic feet per minute carburetor and sporting a comp cam high-energy camshaft with an advertised duration of 260 and a lift of .468. Power hits the pavement thanks to a rebuilt 3-speed FMX automatic transmission, hooked up with a rebuilt 9-inch traction lock differential, rocking a 3.25 gear ratio and a fresh Speedway Motors center section. Bringing this baby to a halt are new front-powered disc brakes and rear drums. The ride quality gets a boost from a brand new suspension setup, including front and rear springs, control arms, a rebuilt steering box, and new tie rods. The body got a full frame-off restoration. The torque boxes and frame are now tied together. The car's underside is shielded with white bedliner spray, while the exterior boasts a multi-layered finish, an epoxy prime, 2K prime, urethane base coat, bright white, and urethane clear coat. This rebuilt beauty, a nod to the 1971 Boss, shows off all that meticulous work and the specific component choices in its price tag. Number 17. Here's a classic 1969 Ford Mustang Coupe two-door, presented in Newark, Delaware, with an asking price of $45,500. This 1969 model has 52,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Under the hood is a 351 Cleveland engine, which the previous owner modded for racing. Number 18. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion. Here's a 1964 Chevrolet Malibu SS from Belmont, Ohio. With an odometer reading of 49,858 miles, the car is priced at $49,900. This Malibu SS was a one-owner car since new, before being acquired from the original owner's heirs. Number 19. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1969 Dodge Charger Special Edition sedan. It's offered in Shippensburg, Pennsylvania for $65,000, negotiable. Under the hood is the factory 383 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, providing direct power control. Since it first hit the road in 1980, this Charger was used as a daily driver until 2019 and has been driven on occasion since then. On the open road, it tracks true thanks to its rear end with a 2.77 and 3/4 gear ratio. The interior is almost pristine with untouched factory wood grain trim and an intact dashboard. As for the body, it shows minimal rust, a couple of small bubbles in the paint, and one spot under the rear bumper. It comes with numerous spare parts, including doors and fenders, which adds practical value to the offering. The car still runs great and holds the road well. For those who appreciate the value of factory original condition and a history of real-world use, this Charger is definitely worth a look, especially considering the included set of extra parts. Number 20. Up for grabs is a 1970 Ford Mustang sports roof from Eller Bay, North Carolina. This car, listed for $60,000, features rear-wheel drive and is a fastback, though advertised as a Mach 1. The car has undergone a complete restoration, with all components either brand new or meticulously refurbished. Under the hood sits a motor measuring 363 cubic inches, pumping out over 500 horsepower and boasting a modern fuel injection system. Shifting duties are handled by a 5-speed Tremec manual transmission. The interior is decked out in black, while the body wears a sleek silver paint job. The dashboard is equipped with fresh Dakota RTX gauges, and all the wiring has been completely replaced. The deal also includes the original engine and automatic transmission, giving the new owner additional options. The odometer shows 102,000 miles. The $60,000 price tag reflects the extensive work put in and the high-quality components installed. This is a prime opportunity for anyone looking for a turnkey ride with serious performance upgrades and a refreshed mechanical setup. Number 21. Looking for a classic off-road adventure? If you're hunting for a piece of American road legend, check out this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. It's located in Lake Como, Pennsylvania, and it's going for $59,500. Number 22. Today, we have a fantastic find. This 1953 Pontiac Chieftain, located in Berryville, New York, is available for $8,000. Instead of its original inline 8-cylinder engine, it now sports a 307 V8 with a TH350 automatic transmission, a job done by the seller himself. The car has seen some significant brake upgrades. The front wheels now boast Scarebird disc brakes, and the rear features disc brakes sourced from a 2001 Blazer. The interior and seats are in good shape, and the car is equipped with Posey traction suspension. It has 75,000 miles on the odometer. This Chieftain is styled as a rat rod with the battery relocated to the trunk. It is fully roadworthy, has a current inspection sticker, and made the trip to the Adirondack Nationals 2 years ago without a hitch. Number 23. This classic 1957 Chevrolet, a 4-door sedan, is located in Marietta, Ohio, and is listed for $10,000. Number 24. Get a load of this classic 1955 Oldsmobile 88 sedan four-door, going for $8,500 in McGraw, New York. This blue exterior and white interior combo isn't just a blast from the past. It's got modern practicality thanks to an installed Vortec 350 small block engine hooked up with an automatic transmission. The car, showing 100,000 miles on the odometer, has a solid history, and the best part is, it's ready to roll as is. Underneath, this Olds has a rock-solid frame, making it a sweet ride for cruising. Number 25. Up for sale is a 1968 Plymouth Fury VIP, available in Seward, Pennsylvania for $5,500. This four-door hardtop with a 383 engine and an automatic transmission, painted green inside and out, started its life in Johnstown, Pennsylvania, and is now ready to hit the road again. The odometer reads 75,456 miles. The current owner picked it up this spring with the goal of getting it running after a year and a half of sitting. Since then, the car has put about 800 miles on it, proving itself to be a great cruiser. The underside and body seams are in very good shape, and the repaint was likely done back in the 80s. A lot has been done to get it back on the road. 4 new tires were installed, along with a new muffler, a new fuel pump, and a new fuel line to the carburetor. The carburetor itself was rebuilt, and the spark plugs and wires were replaced. The engine and transmission were serviced with new oil and filters. The brake system received new front pads and a new master cylinder, and the wheel bearings were repacked. The cooling system got a new radiator, belts, and hoses, and the rear suspension has new shocks. That said, there are a few things to note. There's some rust on the rocker panels, and the vinyl top is shrinking a bit and has a few small imperfections. The heater core leaks, so it has been temporarily bypassed. Number 26. Up for sale is a 1968 Cadillac Deville Coupe two-door from Columbus, Ohio, listed at $7,500. This Cadillac, with 86,000 miles on the odometer, was picked up by the seller about 40 minutes outside Pittsburgh and then made the trek all the way back to Columbus without a hitch. While it certainly made its share of pit stops for gas, it never once left the driver high and dry, which speaks volumes about its roadworthiness. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 472 cubic inch big block engine mated to an automatic transmission. The body is straight for its age, and the chrome trim looks pristine against the brown exterior. The beige interior is in factory original condition and is one of the cleanest you'll find for a car like this. All power windows, power door locks, power seats, and the antenna are in perfect working order, and both brass keys appear to be original from the factory. The seller notes that while it's not a show car, they emphasize its excellent preservation in its original factory state. In recent months, aside from the trip home, the Cadillac has only been driven about 150 miles. The owner is open to trades, depending on the offer, but the main goal is to sell it to thin out their collection. They also note that cars in this condition are appreciating in value. Number 27. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1968 Chrysler 300, offered in King George, Virginia for $6,000. This 68 Chrysler 300 is equipped with a 440 engine and an automatic transmission, and it fires right up. The car comes with power everything and air conditioning. The body and interior are finished in a rich green. The odometer shows 1,234 miles. The vehicle has a clean Florida title. There are a few things to keep in mind when looking at this Chrysler. The 440 engine starts, but it will need a carburetor tune-up. Number 28. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard. In Tunkhannock, Pennsylvania, a 1978 Chevrolet Corvette hardtop coupe two-door is available. This example, finished in blue on the outside with a silver interior, is ready for new adventures, showing 59,981 miles on the odometer. The asking price is $8,500. This L82 Silver Anniversary Edition shows confident performance and crisp shifts from its automatic transmission. In recent years, the car has received new belts, calipers, pads, and rotors, as well as fresh brake and fuel lines. The frame looks solid. New rear wheel bearings have been installed, along with an updated exhaust. All shocks are new as well. The carburetor has been rebuilt, the oil is fresh after a change, and the power steering ram has been replaced. The power windows are functional, and the T-top seals are watertight. This Corvette is an excellent offering for those who appreciate vehicles with a transparent service history and straightforward condition. Number 29. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1984 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL, which is offered in Berlin, New Jersey. The price is $10,000. This automatic roadster features a blue exterior and a gray interior and comes complete with both types of roof, hardtop and soft top. Number 30. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1974 Plymouth Duster, available for $5,000 in Sandusky, Michigan. This Duster comes with a built 318 engine, a new automatic transmission, and recent replacements, including a fresh fuel tank and windshield. Number 31. Discover your next restoration project with this 1963 Buick Riviera Coupe, available in Elk Ridge, Maryland for $6,500. This vehicle, sporting a blue exterior and interior, offers a solid foundation for a restoration project. Under the hood, you'll find a 401 nailhead engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 89,000 miles on the odometer, the car has largely retained its originality. All the chrome and stainless steel trim are in excellent shape, and there's only minimal rust on the body. The car starts, runs, and stops, though it's currently only suitable for moving around the yard. Like any project car, this Buick Riviera has a few items to address. There's rust in the trunk pan and on the front floorboards, but the seller notes these spots are easily repairable. Additionally, part of the interior has been removed and needs reupholstering. However, all removed parts come with the car. This offering is for those ready to put in the work to bring this coupe up to snuff. Number 32. Up for sale is a 1969 Chrysler Newport hailing from Syracuse, New York, and priced at $4,000. Under the hood is a 383 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine producing 290 horsepower, mated to an automatic transmission. The odometer on this green sedan reads 51,086 miles. This Newport starts right up and runs great, boasting a solid body and a clean interior. The car is mostly original, with the only deviation being aftermarket wheels. It was garaged during the winters, which helped preserve its overall condition. On the downside, there is some minor rust on the body. The seller is open to offers, not interested in trades, and motivated for a quick sale after buying a new car. Number 33. Discover the charm of history. Introducing a replica Mercedes-Benz of 1937, available in Elkin, North Carolina. This convertible, finished in gray, is priced at $8,500. Number 34. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1969 MGB Roadster offered in Staunton, Virginia for $6,000. This red Roadster with a manual transmission features an updated engine. It's sporting a hot cam and the rings and bearings have been replaced. The power plant is further enhanced with electronic ignition, a Weber downdraft carburetor, and new headers. Number 35. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. Here we have a 1975 Oldsmobile 88, a red and white convertible. This car is clocking in at 88,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Its story began with a father buying it for his wife for their 50th wedding anniversary. Over the past 2 summers, the car has seen several outings and has been babied by both the previous owner and the current owner, which included regular trips to the mechanic to keep it in tip-top shape. This car runs and drives great, with the engine and suspension in proper working order and ready to hit the open road. For modern convenience, a Bluetooth CD player has been installed in the glove box. This Oldsmobile 88 is available for $16,000 and is located in Randolph, Vermont. Number 36. For the classic car enthusiast with a passion for history, here's the Chevrolet Master Deluxe Hot Rod from Leavittsburg, Ohio. This 1941 two-door car, which has racked up 123,456 miles, is offered for $12,500 with the price negotiable upon personal inspection. What's under the hood of this classic beauty is a powertrain from a 1968 Chevrolet Nova, a 6-cylinder engine mated to a turbo 400 automatic transmission, sending power to a 10-bolt rear end. The owner has kept the car garaged since he picked it up 6 years ago, and during that time it saw a good bit of use until it was put into a 4-year storage. Number 37. Introducing a classic reimagined. In Johnstown, Ohio, a 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is being offered. This car, with an automatic transmission and 140,000 miles on the odometer, is available for $12,200. The body and interior are silver, and their condition is considered good for its age. The car starts right up, drives great, and is ready to roll. This Stingray largely retains its original look, except for upgraded radio and speakers. It's a cruiser, drives smoothly, and is perfect for daily commutes. A heads up, the factory air conditioning is present, but it's not currently blowing cold. Number 38. Here's a rare opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. In Indian Trail, North Carolina, a 1990 Chevrolet Caprice, classic sedan, is offered for $12,500. Price is negotiable. This is a 2-owner car with 58,000 original miles and has been garage kept. The body is in good shape with well-preserved paint. Inside, the air conditioning and heat work, and the interior looks great. The car sits on 26-inch wheels. It comes with a sound system featuring a dual amplifier and an extra battery in the trunk, as well as interior and exterior LED lighting, 5,000 Kelvin headlights, and remote start. All paperwork is on hand, and the original tires are included in the sale. The car needs a new throttle body, but it runs and drives well. The seller is willing to accept a deposit to hold the car for serious buyers and shows the car on weekends only. Number 39. Whether you're a collector or a restoration enthusiast, check out this 1949 Ford Shoebox from Floral Park, New York, available for $20,000. This ride is a custom project. The body features a chopped top, and its bright orange exterior is paired with a custom-crafted brown interior. Under the hood, you'll find a Chevrolet drivetrain mated to an automatic transmission. The car has 20,000 miles on it and currently drives and handles great, with no issues, fully ready to hit the road. There's one particular item left to finish. A new aftermarket air conditioning unit has already been purchased and is included, but it still needs to be installed. The owner is letting this car go due to an upcoming move. Moving on from unique custom builds, we'll shift gears to a model that offers a completely different take on American classics. Number 40. Discover a piece of automotive history with this 1967 Dodge Coronet 500, located in Rochester, New York, and offered for $18,500. This orange Coronet with a black interior is a great daily driver, packing a 440 big block engine under the hood and 79,000 miles on the odometer. The automatic transmission was rebuilt in October 2023 and is currently under warranty, speaking to its road readiness. Notable upgrades include a high-energy ignition system, power steering, and a front disc brake conversion, making handling and stopping more predictable.